Dave Mick here. We're at Trackwork at Warrnambool to talk about the Flying Start syndication Too Darn Hot out of Never Shot the Deputy. Since he's been here with us at Warrnambool, he's got a great temperament, great action, good looking horse. You can see some footage of him doing some striding in-hand fast work. By the leading first season and second season sire in Too Darn Hot and out of a Written Tycoon mare, so the pedigree's right. Too Darn Hot's had one runner this season for a winner of the Gimcrack, not easy to do. Going back to talk about Cameron Bennett and Dave Mee, we've had some really good success together. Flying Mascot, a multiple group winner. Recently, Dreamzell and Call to Glory, they both won 6 races. So anyone who's interested in this colt, I'd give him a good strong push. I really like him. I think that he's a horse that could perform at 2 and probably improve again at 3.